So Project Elixir latest version based on Android 14 is here. The version is 4.1. I've installed it on my device, which is Poco F5, available for your device. I guess it's available for a lot of devices. And in this video, we are going to talk about some of the amazing things about this custom ROM. So stay tuned and make sure to watch this video till the end. As always, this custom ROM brings you new UI almost everywhere. The settings UI is redesigned and even the about phone UI is looking quite good. The version is 4.1 and as you can see, it's having the latest security patch of February 2024. Based on Android 14, it brings you almost everything what you need. Most of the features are there. Some of the features are not there. We'll talk about that later on. So stay tuned and make sure to watch this video till the end. Before moving further, let me tell you one thing, that this is the version which is not available for everyone. If you are a patron user, then you'll be able to explore some of the features, but most of the features are free. If you are a paid user, if you are into the early access of this custom ROM, then you can get this kind of lock screen clocks. In case you don't know that, if you are already into this, you know that, but in case you are not, then this is one of the things which is so amazing. You have inbuilt lock screen clocks, depth wallpaper clocks looking like iOS style lock screen. A lot of lock screen clocks are already available and you just have to click it. For example, if I want to choose this one, I will click it once and this is it. It will simply change the wallpaper now, and then if I go here, you have many extra options available. One of those is so amazing. This is one of those. You get same kind of things, although you will not get the option to customize it properly, same like iOS, but of course that's completely fine, but it's available there. And I guess you are going to love this thing for sure. Including these depth clocks, we also have the custom clocks available. So in case you don't want the iOS style lock screen, you already have the option for some custom clocks in your lock screen. How you can do that? Simply click into the theming options, lock screen clocks, and we have many options available. Some of these clock styles look so amazing. You can choose any one of them. Nothing style lock screen is already there. Oxygen OS style lock screen is also there. Simply click, it will be applied almost instantly, and then you will be able to use that very easily, including all these kind of clock options available like lock screen clocks, and we have the option for iOS depth style clocks in the lock screen. These things are so amazing and I guess you're going to love them. But these are some changes available in this custom ROM, especially if you are a patron user. Although if you are into the free version, let's just talk about the options or customizations which you get in free version, or basically if you're not into the early access, because all those extra things are kind of same here too. It's same like other custom ROM, but yes, the UI is quite amazing, and yes, this is giving you some interesting things. So yes, it's worth it to try it out. LockScreen also have the multi-user option. It's available for free version. If you are using the normal version of Project Elixir, you get this LockScreen. You have the option to switch between multiple users if you have, and this lock screen, I guess it's not optional, so it's available for everyone. In case you don't like that by any chance, if you don't like that, you don't have the option to turn it off, and I guess they will bring you this option very soon. We have the option for ignore Windows secure flags, advanced restart, heads up less annoying, and etc. Same kind of options there. Although it is not having the option for unlimited Google Photo storage, I guess it's already enabled by default, but it's not available there, which in some of the custom ROMs you get by default, in some of the custom ROMs it's not there. But this is one of those custom ROMs which does not bring you the option to turn on or turn off that. Quick settings panel is kind of same here. You have the light quick settings panel even if you use the light mode, and if you have dark quick settings panel, if you use dark mode, you will get the dark quick settings panel. We have the quick settings header images already available, data usage which you can enable or disable very easily. And if you move on to the quick setting header image, we have same kind of header images available, although it's just a collection of few of the header images. And also have the option to customize the height of that image. For example, if I've enabled this one, you can adjust this quick setting header image height according to your own preference, and also the padding is what you can adjust. So things are quite good here in the terms of customizations of quick settings header images. Brightness slider options are already there. The option related to hide status bar, hide quick settings in secure lock screen, everything is present here. Status bar also has the option for the data disabled icon, which you can enable or disable, and the option for colored icons is also present here. If you're able to notice, we also have the VoLTE Vo Wi-Fi icon, which is a very useful thing, because this is one of the features which I personally loved. If we don't have the VoLTE Vo Wi-Fi icon, that doesn't look good, to be very honest with you. But battery styles, same kind of things. iOS 16 style battery indicator, most of the times I use, it's already present here. Island notification, which is now already replaced now, because it was previously reticker notification. Now it's island notification and available in most of the custom rooms, so as in Project Elixir 2. We already have the option for background chip in the status bar clock, which is actually looking good, and I most of the times use that. Also, if you're able to notice, the switches are also changed here. Switches are a little bit modified as compared to the normal one. This is the settings UI, and of course the same kind of options available here and there. So these were things I just wanted to let you know. Some of the few things are missing from here, but most of the things are available. In case you want to try it out, link is already available in the description. Thanks for watching and goodbye.